Hello everyone, welcome to Brinyte Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a rechargeable headlamp by Brinyte. This is the HC01. I will go over specs, features, and then show it in use. Inside you get the headlamp, USB-C charging cable, and the user manual. Going over some specs, this has 3 different lights. You have the main light with 6 modes: turbo, high, low, strobe, and SOS. On high mode, it has a max lumens of 1000. The auxiliary light, which has 2 modes, high and a low. And the red light, which has 2 modes as well, low and high. The beam distance is 126 meters, max intensity of 4000 candelas. You have the option of using AA batteries as well as a rechargeable, and it weighs in at 65 grams. Looking at the light, you have the main unit here, and attached to that is a strap. A unique feature is that you have the knob on the back to wind up the strap or loosen it to your desired size. So storing it is very compact, and you can detach it from the light. The front, you have the main light. To the right of that is auxiliary, and all the way to the right is the red light. And you also have the LED indicators for the battery. The top buttons are for the main light, auxiliary, and red light. Holding it down for 2 seconds will activate and deactivate the lock. And on the bottom, you have the USB-C charge port. Opening the back, you have access to the battery compartment. This comes with a rechargeable battery, and as mentioned earlier, you can use 3 AAAs as well. Taking a look at the strap, just turn the knob to your desired length for the headband, and then to store it, just reel it in. Going through the different modes is straightforward. The large button on the top will control the main light. A long press will cycle through the different modes, and a triple click will activate the strobe and SOS. For the auxiliary and red light, it's a smaller button. A long press will switch the modes, and triple press will make the red light flash. So here's a quick look at the main light: low, medium, high, and turbo, strobe, and SOS. And here's a look at the red light on low mode and the high mode, and then the auxiliary light on low mode and high mode. Alright, so now I have the Brinyte HC01 on. The band feels pretty good. It's not too tight. There's a lot of elasticity with the band, and you can tighten it to your desired liking. All right, so let's go ahead and test out the different modes. Okay, I'm just gonna go through the different settings here. I'm gonna turn it on. So this is on the really low setting. Now we got the medium. We got the high, and we got the turbo. So I'll stand behind the camera here. I'll turn it on. Again, that's the low setting. Medium. There's the high, and turbo. So testing out the light on the side, this is on the low setting, and then this is on the high setting. And then for the red light, this is on the low setting. And the high. And then triple tap for the strobe. And then SOS, triple tap again. And just testing it out, walking down the sidewalk here. This is on the turbo setting. Low. Got the medium. High. And turbo. Alright, so that's a look at the Brinyte HC01 headlamp. I left a link in the description below if you want to check it out. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.